The stick have finished. My pancake has finished. Buy me something.
Baby, I say you should relax. Now immediately this thing stop, I will buy things for you. From my
and I need new shoes.
What is this one? Dala, come on from here.
Hey! Hey! You see what you've caused?
What happened?
Our oracle. It's our chief priest.
This one?
You know what? And everybody that hits this man will definitely spend much. Hey!
I need this man.
It's not a matter of this man.
What is it?
Hey! He's bringing that list, you see?
List for what?
And if you didn't do the list, it will be another thing.
Come on, come on. What is this?
Open it, you will see. Hey!
Imagine.
What?
Umunna will buy like wrappers for his Umunna. Am I getting married? Is he your Umunna?
See what you cost.
Imagine that that I should buy 3 tubers of yam.
Oh, where the money for this lockdown?
I should look at this account say that I should pay 500,000 to eat.
You don't give account number.
Are you getting me? Baby, come. Drive this thing.
This man is like say.
Hold on to my baby.
Okay.
Hey, Amanda, hold on. Hey! Ow! Hey! 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 Ow! If you shut, I'll slap you.
Maybe don't do.
I'll slap this man.
Don't do.
That I should pay 500,000. Don't believe me like this. Don't believe me. I'm kidding. I'm gonna say 500,000 before you're telling me 500,000.
For this lockdown.
No, punish you, baby. Let's go.
Come on, these children in this mess.
Yeah, Grace. Yeah, my dear brothers and sisters, please try to subscribe. You check us on YouTube, we are there. Facebook, theater, anywhere you Google Crazy Thinkers Comedy.
My boyfriend. My boyfriend that cannot buy.
I will make it. I will make it.
And please
respect
the gods.
500.
Don't treat him bad.
Baby, let's jack this man again.
Please.
Okay, let's.
Please subscribe.
Try.
See you in our next video.
We love you.
Thank you.